Okay, so today I'll be doing exercise 8A, and in exercise 8A I'm going to do question number 4 and question number 5. So all these problems I've referred them from Selina class 9, Selina class 9 Maths ICSE Chapter 8, which is Logarithms, and it is written by Mr. R.K. Bansal. So all the problems that I'm about to do, you could refer from that book. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start. 2 log of 15 divided by 18. Now I could divide this by 3 and we will get 5 by 6. Minus log of 25 by 162 plus log of 4 divided by 9 is equal to log 2. Prove that. So all you have to do is you have to solve LHS. This is the LHS. You have to solve the LHS and make sure that you get the same answer as there is RHS. So in the LHS you should get log 2. So therefore LHS will be equal to RHS in the end. If and only if you get LHS as log 2. Usually 95%, 90 to 95%, both of the sides, LHS and RHS, should be equal. If you haven't got LHS equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS, vice versa, your answer might be wrong. You have to check it again. So these are some laws given here, and 2 log, so 2 log 5 divided by 6. Now we'll have a look at the third law. The third law states that log of m to the base of any power to the base a is equal to n into log of m to the base a. So therefore, 2 log 5 divided by 6, I could write it as log of 5 by 6 whole square. I'll leave the rest as it is, plus log of 4 divided by 9 is equal to log of 2. I'll leave the RHS as it is because we have to calculate LHS and make sure it is equal to RHS. So no need to touch RHS. Now 5 upon 6 whole square can be equal to 5 square divided by 6 square, which will be equal to 25 divided by 36. So log of 25 divided by 36 minus log of 25 by 162 plus log of 4 by 9 is equal to log of 2. It will be a remodified equation. And furthermore, a lot of people, what they do is they solve this equation in parts. So say for example, they'll solve this part first, and then whatever answer comes out of this, they'll subtract it by this part of the equation. But all I'm going to do is I will be solving both of these, the three of these parts all together. So let's go back to the equation. Let's go back to the laws. So over here, the laws state, there are some laws given here, and I could write this as this whole log equation as simply as log of 25 divided by 36. Now there's a minus. So where there is minus, there is division. So therefore log of n divided by n to the base p is equal to log of n to the base p minus log of n to the base p. Therefore I could write this as 25 divided by 36 divided by 25 divided by 162, and we'll take the reciprocal of 25 by 162, which would be into 162 by 25, which would be 162 by 25 into plus. So where there's plus, there's a multiplication, and we'll apply the first law here. So therefore this will be equal to 4 upon 9. No need to take reciprocal. Will be equal to log 2, which remains untouched. So therefore 36. So 4 9s are 36. 9 18s are 162, and 9 2s are 18, and 25 and 25 gets cut. So all that is remaining is log 2. So therefore log 2 will be equal to log 2. LHS will be equal to RHS. Hence proved, the final statement you could write it as, hence proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So without any further delay, let's move on to our fifth question. So the fifth question states find x. So we have been given x and you have to find the value of x. So I'll just change the color to, let's say, gold. Okay, gold or yellow. So all I'll do is I'll take this whole part and I will take it to the RHS, and the signs will change respectively. So our new remodified equation would be x is equal to 1 upon 3 log 125. I could write it as log of 125, and 125 we could write it as 5 cube, and don't forget the 1 upon 3, and applying the third law in this part, I could write it the 1 upon 3 log 125 as log of 5 cube, and don't forget the exponent outside, 1 upon 3 minus log 3. Minus log 48 moves to the RHS and becomes plus log 48, plus 3 log 2, which goes to the other side and becomes minus 3 log 2. And 3 log 2 can be written as log 2 cube according to the third law, and we could write 2 cube as 8, so therefore log of 8. Now again, some people might have their preference. They would solve the addition first, whatever answers comes, then they'll subtract it by this, and then they'll subtract this by this. What I'll do is I'll solve this whole part first. X will be equal to log of 5 cube into 1 upon 3, which will be 5 raised to the power 1, which could be simply written as log of 5. So therefore, our final equation would be log of 5 minus log of 3 plus log of 48 minus log of 8. Therefore, x will be equal to log of 5 minus 3 minus log of 3. So that where there's minus, there'll be division, and there's plus. So where there's plus, there's multiplication. 48 minus. So where there's minus, according to the second law, there will be division. 8. This in turn will be equal to 6 8s are 48, 3 2s are 6, and 5 2s are 10. So therefore log of 10 to the base 10. So in my previous videos, I may have told you that if there's no base mentioned, it would be 10. We would assume it as 10. So log of 10 to the base 10 will be equal to 1. Why? Because in exponential form, we could write this as 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10, thereby proving that log of 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this is our question number 5, which brings us to the end of this video, this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And a note to the viewers that for those of you who need an extra detail or who want to learn more about logarithms, please visit my partner's channel, IsEqualToklasses, where you'll find logarithmic series, and in those videos you'll find everything you need to know about logarithm. It's a beautiful video. I would advise you to please have a look at it and then come to this video, because I'll be taking some concepts from those videos and then applying in these videos and lectures. Okay, so I won't be wasting your time. Take care and bye.